Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have Vital Kojic Turmeric Soap, and some of the ingredients are kojic acid, turmeric, vitamin C, retinol, collagen, vitamin E, shea butter, and Castile olive oil, just to name a few. So let's open this up, see what we get inside. And right away we have a drying bag that you can put your soap into, and you get 2 bars. So let's open this 1 bar up. So, nice fresh scent. And let me take my glasses off, get some water running, lather this up in my hands real quick, get a nice good lather going. Now, let's wash my face, especially around my beard area. I want to make sure I definitely always clean that really well. Couple rinses. I can feel how clean my skin is already. Wow. So let me get a towel. I tell you what, wow. Definitely feel the difference. All right, yeah, water was a little warm, so my face is a little red, but man, that feels good, nice and clean. Anyway, put my glasses back on. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.